Hello students. In this class I'll be teaching you about envelopes. So in geometry, an envelope of a family of curves in the plane is a curve that is tangent to each member of the family at some point, and these points of tangency together form the whole envelope. So when you look at these curves, you have the family of circles here where the center is c comma c from looking at this equation. So it lies on this line, the center of the circle. So you have these family of circles. So at some point, there is a tangent to the circle, and you join all these tangents, and that forms an envelope. So there are two envelopes here. This is one line as an envelope, and this is another line for the envelope. So an envelope for the family of circles in this case is a circle. Sorry, it's a straight line here. So this equation has one parameter C. So this is called as one parameter family of curves. So when there's only one parameter for a family of curves, that is called as one parameter family of curves. Now let us look at how to find the envelope for the family of curves. If suppose there are two parameters in the equation of a curve, then it is called as two parameters family of curves. Now here we'll be finding out a method to find the envelope of the family of curves where it is only one parameter. So I consider f of x comma y comma alpha. Here alpha is the parameter I've taken. So you would consider let f of x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0 and f of x comma y comma alpha plus delta alpha is equal to 0. So it's a small change in the curve that is given as alpha plus delta alpha be any two consecutive members of the family. Now we know that the envelope and the family of circles have a point in common because at this point we find taking the tangents. So at one point the envelope as well as the family of curves has one point in common, and that is called as point of intersection. So the coordinates of the points of intersection of 1 and 2 satisfy the equation f of x comma y comma alpha plus delta alpha minus f of x comma y is equal to 0 because this point satisfies both the two equations 1 and 2. So I can say that it satisfies this equation as well, that is f of x comma y comma alpha plus delta alpha minus f of x comma y comma alpha is equal to 0. Now I divide throughout by delta alpha and take limit as delta alpha tends to 0. So that is nothing but dou by dou alpha of f of x comma y comma alpha. That is, I'm partially differentiating the function f with respect to alpha. So the procedure, and then what you have to do is the result obtained by eliminating alpha between equations 1 and 4 will give the equation of the envelope. So I'll tell you how to find what is the rule to find the equation of the envelope. You have the equation of a curve, that is a family of curves. Differentiate that partially with respect to alpha, you get dou by dou alpha of f of x comma y comma alpha. Then eliminate alpha from these two equations, and that obtained equation is the equation of the envelope. If suppose if alpha is not able to you cannot eliminate alpha, then the family of curves does not have any envelope. Now let us look at the problems. Find the envelope of the family of straight lines where alpha is the parameter. This is the equation of a straight line where alpha is the parameter. This is the given equation. Now you differentiate this with respect to alpha partially. So y becomes 0. Alpha x is nothing but x minus a by alpha square. So we have alpha square is equal to a by x. So substituting 2 in 1, we get alpha is nothing but root of a by x. Substituting and simplify it, you will get y is equal to 2 root ax, or squaring on both sides, we get y square is equal to 4ax, which is the equation of the parabola. Hence, envelope of family of straight lines is parabola. Now let us go for the next question. Find the envelope of the family of curves where A is the parameter. In this case, it is circle X, where the center is A comma 0. So this is the family. Now you differentiate this partially with respect to A. When you get it, you will get it A is equal to x plus 2. Substitute A is equal to x plus 2 in 1 and simplify. So you will get this equation y square minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. After simplifying this, you will get this answer. Now similarly, you have to show that the envelope of the family of lines x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is in the intercept form. Equation of line in intercept form. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Where they have, here there are two parameters a and b. But they have given a relation ab is equal to c square is given as 4xy is equal to c square. So the equation of the family of lines we have. Now you substitute, the relation is given b is equal to c square by a. So we have AB is equal to C square. So we have B is equal to C square by A. So using 2 and 1, x by A plus, you substitute B is equal to C square by A in the equation 1. You will get it as ax by A plus A by Y C square. A into Y by C square is equal to 1. Now differentiate this partially with respect to A. Here C, we have taken it as it is a constant. We have a relation AB is equal to C square, so C is a constant, only A is the parameter. So differentiating this with respect to A, we get it as minus 1 by A square. You differentiate with respect to A, so 1 by A becomes minus 1 by A square into X plus Y by C square is equal to 0. Simplifying it, A is equal to C into root of X by Y. Substitute this in equation 3. After substituting, simplify, you will get it as 4xy is equal to C square. So similarly, you can do these two problems also. Here it is given that m is the parameter. You differentiate this partially with respect to m and eliminate m from this equation and dou by dou m of this equation. So similarly, you have family of ellipses and the relation is given as a plus b is equal to c and c being a constant. So in this problem, you substitute b is equal to c minus a and continue. Thank you.